In this video, I'm gonna showcase the forest level that I made in Unreal Engine 5.7. My end goal was to make a level that looked good enough, but more importantly, it was to make an optimized level. So the trees that you saw popping in the video a few seconds ago were part of this optimization. They were made with PCG and they move along with the player's location. The HLODs are also set up in the level, and you can see the simplified mesh of the house. I also have a separate data layer for the stuff that are related to the cabin. And since this level is considered a linear level, I have a subsystem in the background which has some functions to load the next parts of the level. And this cabin is considered a data layer that activates when you get close enough. I believe none of this would have been possible without that one Udemy tutorial that I saw about making a forest. But what makes what I have here separate from that tutorial is that I redid the PCG graph and I also redid all the materials and used the UE5 substrate material system. And this part is white not because of a color, but because of the light. Because I made it so that this part that has the moss gets a lot of light, so I make sure that it's working. I also use Metasounds and Submixes to separate the audio groups. And here I have an LFO which applies like a sinus wave on an audio file. So like the volume goes up and down. Um, and I am also using the audio modulation plugin, like the part that you walk into the cabin, the audio changes, and when you walk out, it goes back to normal again. That was done with the modulation plugin.